Let's talk about how to adjust the Milanese style mesh strap. First, use 2 fingers to unhinge the bracelet clasp and leave it in the open position. On the other side, you'll notice there is a small tab that you can use your finger or small tool to undo. On the other side of the bracelet, you'll notice that there are small indentations on the underside of the mesh. These indentations are your adjustment positions. While the tab is in the open position, insert the 6 o'clock side of the mesh strap into the clasp. For best ease of use, make sure the tab is upright, pointing straight up. This allows the mesh strap to insert easily and move around in a loose manner. Once you've got that in, look on the underside to line up the clasp with one of the adjustment positions. Once you get it into position, simply close the tab on top. To readjust the bracelet, unhinge the bracelet clasp, unhinge the tab, and repeat the steps over again. Make sure to double check that the tab is in the closed position. You can also check by giving the mesh a small tug to make sure that it's secure.